channel. Welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. You're probably just seeing us bringing the wheels into the house because they need to warm up. We are going to get them coated today because, you know, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know how much I like ceramic coating my wheels. It makes it so much easier to get the brake dust off and just keep them clean, especially with white wheels. It was fantastic on the white wheels. With the Diego Blue prismatic powder coated wheels, I'm still gonna coat them just so that they're easy to keep clean and to wash off. So let's head off to Carzilla and pick up some Gyeon rim ceramic coating. There we go, Q2 rim. You guys know that I like to do this to all of my wheels because it makes cleaning them so much easier. Now to head home and we're going to apply these to the wheels. For those wondering, the Corvette is still here. I have filmed a bunch of content on the car, but I haven't posted it yet because we've done some secretive stuff to the Corvette and we just can't let you see yet, Christine. Sorry, you're gonna have to wait for the reveal of the car, and then everyone else on YouTube, as soon as Christine has seen the car completed, then I will get and posted the videos to update all of you guys. Sorry, it's been a lack of content lately. The weather's been kind of super horrible and I've been working lots. So let's get to coating these wheels and get them protected for this year's car show season. Okay, let's just make sure there's no oils or anything on the rim itself from doing the mounting and balancing. Put a few drops on your microfiber and applicator pad. Once you've applied it, wipe it off. Now we'll do the insides of the spokes. Inner barrel's done. One thing to note, if you're going to be doing the inner barrel, make sure you get it balanced before you do the ceramic coating, because the wheel weights won't stick if it's ceramic coated, and it's just going to be a nightmare. So ceramic coating after mount and balancing. Now I'm going to do the inner barrel section. It's tricky to get behind the spokes, so I'm not going to use the applicator block just yet. Wheels are all coated, ready for this season. One thing you need to remember is after you coat them, they need to sit for 24 hours. You can't put them on, you can't drive with them. Don't want to get them wet, don't want to get them dirty. Just let them cure properly. So we're gonna let these sit here for probably a couple days, because let's face it, here in Calgary, I'll probably not have the car out for another month or so, just because who knows when it's gonna snow, and there's still tons of gravel on the road. So hope you guys enjoyed today's just random coating the wheels content, something you probably have seen before. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.